I get a lot of questions now and then about what is the difference between laminate flooring and LVT, LVP, or SPC in the marketplace. And I just want to go over a summary of some of the major differences between the two. Both categories of product are great. They each have their benefits, pluses and minuses, if you will, when it comes to different applications and different installations. So one of the first things comes to mind is, durability. What are the wear surfaces on the two different products? In the case of laminate flooring, there is an overlay that is impregnated with aluminum oxide that creates an abrasion class or an AC rating. In a lot of cases today, the AC ratings are AC3, AC4, 5, or even AC6, which is incredible durability. In SPC or LVT, they have a different form of wear layer. They do their wear layers in mils, in which the mils is basically the thickness of an overlay or a film that is applied to the surface of the product during manufacturing. Those mils can be 12 mil, 20 mil, 24 mil, or even up to 28 mil, which would be the highest durability rating for SPC and LVT products. Something else is on the thickness of the product. Many laminates can be produced from 6 millimeters up to 14 millimeters. A typical SPC or LVT that's rigid is going to be produced between 3.2 millimeters in thickness and up to about 6.5 millimeters in thickness. You generally don't see too many SPC products thicker than 6.5 or thinner than 3.2 millimeters. So those are some things that come to light. As far as installation, both products can be termed waterproof. While the SPC is made of limestone and PVC, and the core is essentially waterproof, and therefore the floor is waterproof, laminate flooring is made primarily of wood. But the wood technology that they have for the waterproof category of laminate flooring gives the product the same, or in some cases even better, waterproof capabilities than SPC, because it's a top-down waterproof system on the laminate flooring. So both products can be termed waterproof. Both products can be installed in homes, in multifamily projects, and condos, and light commercial. There are different formats that are available. In general, a lot of the LVT, LVP, or SPC products come in planks. Some come in product in tile visual, very much like this. It's tile visuals that can be 12 by 12, 18 by 18, 18 by 36. There's a lot of different formats for tile visuals in SPC. And so the different applications and different designs can be used in different installations. In general, for laminate planks, they are generally 6.25, 7.5, 9.5, 12 inch, even 13 inches wide. And they tend to go between 47 inches in length up to 80 inches in length. The LVT and SPC, they tend to be in planks that could be 5 inches wide, could be 7.6 inches wide, though there's variable widths on these. And then the lengths are usually around 47 inches. There are products out there today that are longer, going up to 60 inches. And one of the major differences is a lot of the LVT and LVP and SPC products have a somewhat limited number of unique planks. While laminate can have between 10 and 40 unique planks, typical SPC has anywhere from 3 to 5, maybe 6 unique planks. Now, there is a new technology in digital print SPC that can have up to 60 unique planks per decor. So those are some of the primary differences in terms of performance and attributes about the product. Both products are very good. Both products can be installed any room of the home, multifamily projects, or for any light commercial installation.